If you have ever been to a construction site, you may have seen these machines and vehicles used for lifting their materials. One of the vehicles that do this are mobile cranes, which are heavy-duty vehicles that are designed to lift and transport heavy loads. They frequently have a crane boom attached, which can be adjusted and extended to raise and lower loads at various heights. In the manufacturing, construction, and other sectors where heavy lifting is necessary, mobile cranes are frequently utilized. Welcome back, machine enthusiasts, to another exciting episode of our channel, The Mighty Machines, where we dive into the world of powerful and machinery that's truly at another level. Today, we're turning our attention to mobile cranes, those mighty machines that have redefined heavy lifting and construction. Get ready to witness 10 incredible mobile cranes that showcase innovation, power, and precision. Let's jump right in. The Zoomlion electric-powered truck crane is kicking off our list, a marvel of engineering changing the game in construction equipment. This crane is powered by electricity, making it more eco-friendly and efficient than traditional diesel-powered cranes. Its compact design and advanced controls make it ideal for urban construction projects. What sets this crane apart is its sustainability. Reducing emissions and noise levels contributes to a more environmentally conscious construction industry. The Zoomlion electric-powered truck crane highlights the importance of embracing cleaner technologies in heavy machinery for a greener future. Moving on, we have the Dmag AC 255, a crane that's all about strength and precision. It also boasts about a massive lifting capacity and advanced control systems that ensure precise movements even with heavy loads. The lifting capacity of this crane is one of its primary characteristics. It can handle huge and heavy loads due to its maximum lifting capacity of 250 tons. The crane also has a 5-section jib, which provides more versatility in terms of the reach and placement of the load. The crane has an electric motor that enables smooth and precise movement. Additionally, the crane incorporates a variable frequency drive, VFD, that contributes to the crane's increased energy efficiency. Numerous safety measures on the crane, including a load movement limiter and a remote control system, serve to reduce accidents and injuries at the job site. Its innovative suspension system provides enhanced stability during operation. What makes this crane different is its cutting-edge technology. It brings together power and accuracy to handle complex lifting tasks with ease. The Dmag AC 255 exemplifies the role of technology in making heavy lifting safer and more efficient. Next, we have the XCMG XCA60, a mobile crane that combines strength and versatility. It features a telescopic boom that can reach impressive heights, making it suitable for various construction projects. Its advanced control systems and safety features enhance its operational capabilities. What sets this crane apart is its adaptability. With its variable boom configurations, it can tackle tasks in various construction scenarios. The XCMG XCA60 highlights the importance of flexibility in heavy machinery, allowing it to meet diverse construction needs. Now let's look at the MANOK Grove Cranes GHC 75, a machine redefining versatility and efficiency. The GHC75 is a crawler crane designed for easy transportation and quick setup. Its telescopic boom and compact design suit confined spaces and challenging terrains. What makes this crane stand out is its mobility. Its crawler tracks enable it to navigate rough terrains, offering access to construction sites that might be off-limits to traditional cranes. The MANOK Grove Crane's GHC75 emphasizes the importance of adaptability in mobile crane design, opening up new possibilities in construction. Moving forward, we have the Liebherr MK8, a mobile construction crane that combines mobility with lifting power. The Liebherr MK8 is a self-erecting tower crane that can be transported on a single truck. Its compact design and efficient setup make it a game changer for urban construction projects. What sets this crane apart is its ease of use. Its self-erecting system eliminates the need for additional equipment during setup, streamlining the construction process. The Liebherr MK8 exemplifies the role of innovation in making construction cranes more accessible and efficient. Now let's look at the ZCT300, a mobile tower crane that is changing how we think about high-rise construction. The ZCT300 combines the advantages of tower cranes with the mobility of mobile cranes. It can be set up quickly and provides exceptional lifting capabilities for tall structures. What sets this crane apart is its hybrid design. It bridges the gap between traditional tower cranes and mobile cranes, offering a solution that's efficient and versatile. The ZCT300 highlights the importance of innovation in addressing the unique challenges of high-rise construction. Let's continue our journey with the XCMG XCA300U, a mobile crane about power and reach. The XCMG XCA300U boasts a massive lifting capacity and a long-reaching telescopic boom. It's designed to tackle heavy-duty lifting tasks, making it a crucial asset in large-scale construction projects. What makes this crane different is its unique strength. Its impressive lifting capacity can handle demanding lifting tasks requiring power and precision. With its durable construction and cutting-edge technology, the XCA300U is a dependable and effective machine for heavy-duty tasks. Its strong diesel engine produces a lot of torque and allows it to move heavy loads of material fast and easily. The crane has a number of cutting-edge characteristics, such as a high-precision digging system, a hydraulic boom and stick, and a cutting-edge control system that facilitates simple, intuitive operation. In order to safeguard the operator, it also incorporates a number of safety measures, including a seatbelt warning system and a rollover protection system. The XCMG XCA300U highlights the significance of high-capacity mobile cranes in the construction industry. Mammoth Palfinger crawler cranes. a range of machines designed for lifting and maneuvering in challenging terrains. Palfinger's crawler cranes come in various sizes, each equipped with hydraulic systems and tracks that enable them to traverse rough surfaces and handle heavy loads. What sets these cranes apart is their adaptability. Their ability to navigate difficult terrains makes them invaluable in construction projects where access might be limited. Palfinger's crawler cranes highlight the importance of mobility and stability in construction machinery. Now let's take a look at the Tadano GTC 1800EX, a mobile crane about precision and efficiency. The Tadano GTC 1800EX is an all-terrain crane with a telescopic boom that can be extended to impressive lengths. Its advanced control systems and intelligent features ensure accurate and safe lifting operations. What makes this crane different is its focus on technology. Its smart features, such as load movement indicators and advanced control systems, make it a reliable and safe choice for lifting tasks. The Tadano GTC 1800EX showcases how technology can enhance the precision and safety of mobile cranes. Last but not least, we have the Grove GRT 9165, a mobile crane that's all about heavy-duty performance. The Grove GRT 9165 is designed for massive lifting tasks, with a powerful lifting capacity and a robust design. Its advanced technology and precise control systems ensure safe and efficient operations. What sets this crane apart is its sheer power. Its ability to easily lift heavy loads makes it an essential asset in industries requiring heavy-duty lifting. The Grove GRT 9165 highlights the significance of heavy-duty mobile cranes in industries like construction and manufacturing. And there you have it, a mesmerizing journey through 10 incredible mobile cranes redefining heavy lifting and construction. From electric-powered options to hybrid designs and versatile solutions to high-capacity machines, each crane showcases the innovation and engineering excellence driving the industry forward. These machines remind us that heavy machinery is a realm of endless possibilities. Stay tuned for more exciting explorations into the world of powerful machines that are truly at another level. If this segment has piqued your interest, don't forget to like and subscribe for more enlightening content. Share your thoughts in the comments. Which machines left you in awe? Stay tuned for more insightful explorations into the world of innovative technology. If you want to learn more, here's a separate video on remarkable machines and unfamiliar trucks that defy expectations. Until then, stay curious and keep exploring the world of incredible machines.